Bali, a home to some of the most breathtaking hotels in all of Asia, where dramatic cliffs meet endless ocean views and luxury blend seamlessly with nature and culture. And among these incredible stays, Ayana Resort Bali truly stands out as a world class destination. Perched on the cliffs of Jimbaran, this iconic resort spans 90 hectares of tropical paradise, offering 14 swimming pools, private beach access, a world renowned spa, and the famous Rock Bar overlooking the Indian Ocean. From elegant rooms and private villas to exceptional dining experiences and sunset views, Ayana delivers the ultimate Bali escape. I planned a stay here last year on my husband's birthday, and it was one of the most amazing stays ever. In this video, we will give you a tour of this amazing property along with details on prices, best deals, hotel amenities, and important tips. But first, let's start with our room tour.
So this is our room, the Ocean View room in Ayana Resort. Please note my wife had initially booked the Jimbaran Bayview room, but the hotel staffs were kind enough to upgrade us to the Ocean View room. Every corner of the room exuded a sense of luxury and elegance. The room had a beautiful balcony where you can sit and relax while enjoying the Indian Ocean view. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the location of Ayana and some nearby attractions. Around 12 kilometers from the Bali Airport, the resort is located in Jimbaran Bay on the southwestern coast of Bali. The Uluwatu beach is around 18 kilometers from the property, and the popular Garuda Vishnu Kanchana Cultural Park is just 4 kilometers from this property. The entire area is so huge that you can't explore everything here within a day. We were staying at the Ayana Resort, but there were other hotels like the Ayana Segara, Rimba by Ayana, and the most expensive Ayana Villas, all within this 90-hectare area. The check-in process was pretty smooth. They welcomed us with a seashell garland and a welcome drink. After keeping our luggages in the room, we immediately had to rush to the majestic cliffside rock bar inside the Ayana property. My wife had booked a table for us here to celebrate my birthday. Please note you need to book a table at Rock Bar well in advance. As soon as we reached the reception to the picturesque property, they checked our names and asked us to wait in the queue for the elevator, which operates like a funicular. There is a staircase down to the bar as well, but we decided to wait for the elevator as we wanted to experience this.
Sorry, no problem.
As our turn came, we went inside the elevator which took us down to the entrance of the rock bar. The rock bar is special for its epic ocean cliff setting, dramatic entrance, sunset vibes, Instagram worthy views, and signature drinks. It is really important to reserve a table here well in advance. If you are staying in Ayana, you can simply reserve a table here through Ayana's official app. However, if you are not staying but still want to enjoy this experience, here is how you can book a table. Once you click on the link mentioned on your screen, this page will open. You click on Reserve Rock Bar, you come to this page where you need to go through all these guidelines like reservations for 4 to 5 pm is only applicable for guests staying at Ayana. Also, there is minimum spending criteria for non-Ayana estate guests. Then you confirm and continue to next page to provide date and time details to check availability. Then you select your preference, provide your contact details, make the initial payment and your table reservation will be done.
you.
As we were escorted to our table, we immediately felt the electric atmosphere of the bar at sunset. The space was buzzing with energy, filled with guests who had gathered to soak in the vibrant sunset vibes.
Thank you.
Bali has some amazing beachside bars and beach clubs, and the vibe at all these places are unmatched. You can sit there all day and enjoy the party atmosphere without getting tired. Since it was my birthday, my wife requested a table in the elevated section and the staff graciously accommodated us. From there, the view was even more spectacular and our seats were perfectly positioned right beside the DJ booth. We spent around 3 hours there and it was a special experience. If you are looking to keep the night alive after your rock bar experience, there is a premium entertainment venue called After Rock inside Ayana that delivers the perfect nightlife vibe with live DJs, energetic music, a vibrant dance floor, and an all round electric party atmosphere. After that, we took the funicular ride back to the top of the cliff. Our next plan was to explore some of the shops inside the property.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The property was looking fantastic at night as you can see here. Our next plan was to relax inside a swimming pool. Our receptionist suggested a swimming pool which was at the Ayana Segara. So we took an open air minivan which runs regularly inside the property and reached Segara in no time. The pool was truly stunning, complemented by a poolside bar called Luna that catered perfectly to our cravings. After spending a relaxing time here, we decided to call it a day, excited to experience the rest of the property the next day. We woke up early next morning to this amazing view. We had plans of exploring the private Kubu beach, the main swimming pool, a little bit of shopping, and more. We completed our breakfast and started the day with some souvenir shopping at their in house stores. Next, we decided to visit the private Kubu beach for which we needed to take a shuttle from our hotel lobby. There is a designated place outside each of the hotels where the shuttles come and stop at regular intervals. The shuttle journey is also one of the unique experiences here since it takes you through the lush greenery and wonderful nature inside the complex. We reached Kubu beach in no time and realized there is an elevator here as well which takes you down to this wonderful beach.
আজকে আমি ভিডিও করবই। আসো। So they have elevators from up top which will take you directly to the beach.
The beach area was really amazing and less crowded since it was kind of exclusive for Ayana residents. There is a beach club here so you can relax by the beach soaking up the sun all day long. Now let me give you a short tour of the most luxurious property inside Ayana, the Ayana Villas, where room prices start from 12.5 million IDR or around 70,000 INR. The moment you step in, you feel a sense of luxury at every corner here, and a special mention should go to this most picturesque swimming pool we have seen in Bali. This is only partially accessible for guests staying at other resorts, but we got a chance to have a look at it. The trees with colorful flowers all around and the aesthetics of this property was beyond words. After spending some quality time here, we went back to our resort with plans of enjoying the vast swimming pool. The weather was perfect for a pool or a beach day, and we ensured to make the most of every moment by the water. Now let me tell you about the price of some of the rooms in this property. The Resort View room is the cheapest in Ayana Resort with a starting price of 5.2 million IDR or 29,000 INR. The room we had initially booked, the Jimbaran Bay View room, has a starting price of 6.2 million IDR or 34,000 INR, and the room we were upgraded to, the Ocean View room, has a starting price of 39,000 INR, but we got it at the price of the Jimbaran Bay View room. There is an Ocean View suite which has a starting price of 70,000 INR. Ayana Segara has rooms with starting price of 33,000 INR, while Rimba is a little cheaper, having rooms with starting price of 26,000 INR. Ayana Villas, as I mentioned, is the most expensive, where room prices may range from 70,000 INR till 3 lakh INR. It is advisable to check Ayana's own website for booking since they offer good deals at times. Otherwise, you can also check Agoda or booking.com to compare prices and see which one offers the better deal. It was an amazing stay at this astonishing property. If you have any questions regarding Ayana or anything related to Bali, let me know in comments. I'll be happy to address. Thank you and goodbye.